Hi and welcome to today's video by StudyUniFees. Today, we'll be talking about three kinds of letters in the General Training IELTS Writing Task 1. We'll be talking about some of the most important things you have to do in these letters. As you know, Task 1 in writing is quite different in the academic and the general training. In the academic writing, you will have to write a report on a picture. However, in general training, you will have to write a letter. And it is this letter we'll be discussing quite closely in today's video. So, what are the three kinds of letters you have to write in Writing Task 1 in the general training or GT-IELTS? You are required to write formal, semi-formal, or informal or personal letters. So what is a formal letter? It is to a person that you do not know. You do not know this person personally, neither do you know their names. This could be to a bank manager, a foreign university, or to the head of an organization that you do not work with. A semi-formal letter is slightly different. You know this person, but you are not on personal terms. That means you are not friends or family with this person. This could be to your boss, it could be to a teacher or a landlord or a colleague. Finally, informal or personal letters are to someone who is personally very close to you. This could be a close friend or a family member. There's a different way to write greetings and endings in each of these letters. Greetings and endings are quite different in formal, semi-formal, and informal letters. In formal letters, always write Dear Sir or Dear Ma'am at the beginning. If you do not know whether the person you are writing to is a male or female, it is better to write Dear Sir / Ma'am. However, learn how to use the apostrophe in ma'am. Using it incorrectly can give a very bad impression to the examiner. In formal letters, you always end with yours faithfully, not yours sincerely or yours truly. In informal letters, always use the formal name of the person you're writing to since you know them. So, start the letter with Dear Mr. Smith or Dear Mrs. Smith. End the letter with yours sincerely or just sincerely, not faithfully or truly. In informal letters, always start with the name of the person that you're writing to. For example, Dear Mum, Dear Dad, or Dear John. Always end with something that is personal in nature. For example, with best wishes or love. However, use love only with family members. Right at the bottom of the letter, you should write your own name. In formal letters, always write your full name along with your title. For example, Mr. John Brown. In semi-formal letters, always write your full name, but the title, that is Mr. or Mrs. or Miss, is optional. So you could end this letter by simply writing John Brown. In informal letters, end with just your first name. So, end a personal letter with just John or Tim or Nathan. Thanks for watching this video. For more insightful videos about the academic IELTS or the GT IELTS, like, share and subscribe. To register for a free demo class or to get counseling for your study abroad plans, just log on to www.studyunifees.io.